Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Chinese mouth-watering chicken. This dish is super delicious. I can finish a whole dish all by myself. Hope you all like it too. So now let's start. We first need to prepare 2 chicken legs and remove their bones. Now use a pan to boil some water. Put the chicken legs into the pan while the water is still cold. Prepare some scallion and cut some ginger. Add the scallion and ginger into the pan. Also add 2 spoons of cooking wine. In this way, the chicken leg will come out smelling good. Now wait until the chicken is fully cooked. Turn off the fire and put the chicken legs into cold water. Let the chicken cool off. Use your hands to tear the chicken apart into bite sizes. Now we will make the sauce. Make some garlic. Add some chili powder. Some white sesame seeds. Chop some scallion. Prepare the pan and heat some oil. Pour the hot oil into the garlic, chili powder, sesame seeds, and scallion. Now add some peanuts, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, half spoon of sesame oil, half spoon of Sichuan pepper oil. Also add a little bit of water. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce into the chicken, mix well and it is done. This dish is really super delicious. Sometimes my mouth will start to water just by thinking of this dish. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys in the next episode.